All right, another common thing that I have to do on almost every intake that comes in here is replace the PVC grommet. PVC grommet, it is a pain in the butt to replace. So here's what I've come up with for you guys at home. Aside from fighting with it and cussing and using lube, get a jar, a bottle, something microwave safe, put it in the microwave, heat it up. It will make these grommets nice and soft, and then you can push it in there. I've done it with a jet wash before. Jet wash isn't hot today, and not everybody has a jet wash. So here's something everybody can do. Okay, so this is the hot air intake. Now we're going to go with the grommet for the PCV valve. That's the wrong one. That is the correct one. Most of the way there. Just to go in a little bit more. But as you can see, I'm going to be there with a little pick. There you go. That's it. It's done. Easy way to install your grommets. It works on valve cover grommets as well, like that guy down there. And this is exactly the same as the other one I just did. Hot water.